Okay, welcome back. And I know, it's been too long, don't start with me. But life got in the way. And I'm going to point out, this isn't going, here's kind of a mess, sorry. This isn't going to be like a traditional versus like I usually do. So I'm just trying to get back into the swing of things, as you can tell. But yeah, it's early morning. We're just trying to get back into the swing of things. Where are the knives, though? One of them you've seen before. Not the original sheath. The original sheath is garbage. We have the Maiden. This is a Taiwanese made knife. Both of them are. This is, I believe, 52-100 steel, all one-piece construction, 4-inch blade, the cold steel, drop forged hunter. Wait, where's the other knife? This is why this is not a normal review. Oh yeah. Another Taiwanese made knife, Boss 10A this time, 4-inch blade. This is a saber grind, that's a full flat grind. We have the Cold Steel 4 Max Scout. These are two like prehistoric EDC blades. Okay, we're just gonna see how well does the 4 Max Scout compare to a similar size fixed blade. It's probably not even fair because the 4 Max Scout dwarfs the drop forged. But we're gonna see how this goes. And I gotta say, I really like both of these blades, but been carrying this one. First up, just to be a little fair, since you're not gonna, this is about as hefty of a folder I could want. Nice. No damage, that's good. You know, actually, I'm going to redo the chopping test with this sucker. This is, I think, relatively fresher. When I cut this off. Actually, this could be a great way to do this chopping test. This is with the drop forge I'm doing. There's one. And we got our slicing test set up now. Now, the 4 Max. Holy crap. That might actually be the more powerful chopper. I was worried about that. I was worried that it wouldn't be able to take the heat, but let's see. Damn. No wiggle. Now the drop forged. I've done many hacking tests with this. Damn. For 4-inch blades, these are pretty powerful. Alright, next up we're going to do batoning. I'm going to use the drop forge for the heftier piece because it's just not fair. Because we got knots in this sucker. Definitely not bad. Okay. What I'm about to do, you should not do. I said this in my video over about a year ago with the Fin Wolf. Can it go the distance? Oh boy, I'm not even sure what kind of wood this is. I'm worried though. Okay. Okay, I got all my fingers still. That's good. Still got all my fingers in. It went through a knot. Holy crap! It actually went through a knot. That I was not expecting. Alright, I'm going to split some of this pine that I had. Okay, careful. Again, why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? This is a bad idea. That cracking scared me. I thought it was the knife. Ooh, don't let the bigwigs who are running Cold Steel now see this. Neither of these is a great scraper, but we're gonna give it a try. But they are sharp, so At least this one is. Like I said, this has been in my pocket for the past few months, or weeks actually. This wood might not be dry enough. Actually, let me get some of that stuff that I split. Can't be avoided, it's like destiny. I thought the knife broke. It's like destiny, it can't be avoided. I should point out, one thing I really like on the Formax is this choil here. I actually really like that. With the weather getting warmer, I'm going to try to do more of my videos out here again. Okay, we've also got, since this isn't a great scraper, I'm going to cheat a little bit. I've got my Fatwood Fire Steel, I love this thing. And since I tried to modify it, I modified it mostly up at the tip, so... Oh boy. You know, let's try this. This is not the safest way to do this. Why am I doing this? Well, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. Barely. I have never lit up a fire with this knife, so we're going to give this a try. This is the first time I've ever actually tried this. Jesus Christ, I almost actually burned my finger a little bit. Don't try this at home. We're going to try it like this then. Oh, he had a flame for a moment. Oh boy, okay, we're going to try something else. Oh boy. Will I get a fire up? Oh boy. Almost had it. I don't want to use the edge. Wait, did I do this part? I forget. Did I modify this? I forgot. I kind of forgot I modified that part. It's probably not going to do much, but I'll try to get into a pile. Ow. I keep hitting the wood. Yeah, this is difficult, this one. So I'm going to try it like this again. Oh, I was close that time. I'm going to keep going till I get a fire up with this sucker. We're close, though. These folding knives are not the best fire makers. Unless they're designed for it, which most aren't. Try this again. Oh. I was there for a second. Let's try this again. Okay, let's try the pine. I said, it's just not that good of a scraper. It's the one downside. And of course that a folder doesn't have the same strength as a fixed blade, and we're not getting very good feathers here. Okay, we are not getting great feathers, but the part was giving us the best scrapings. Come on. Okay, I'm still figuring this out. Hey. One. Okay, let's try this again, because we were almost there. Yeah, my parents didn't raise a quitter, but they might have raised a fool or two. Hey, okay, careful. Well, we had it. You know, okay, let me try to get all this fluff and stuff that I've scraped off and cut in here. Okay, we've got a good pile of fluff there. Let's try this again. Yeah, I know we're spending a lot of time with this. Hey. Okay, you can see we did get a fire. Finally. Small, but utility. I'm just gonna clean this off for it real quick, because I don't like these ugly marks. Yeah, my blades get dirty. Blades are like children. They love to get dirty. Okay, now onto the drop forge. This one might be better. Okay, we got the same type of wood. We're gonna... Yeah, okay. This blade has been sharpened by me, so... And of course, like, it doesn't have a folder's grind. Classic folder's grind, so... Of course, it's gonna be better for outdoor stuff. It's an outdoor knife. I foresee this going much easier, but we're going to use the fat wood anyway, because with the crap that just happened, I do not want to risk it. Ugh. Maybe not. Maybe not as easy. Maybe not easier. The wood might be wet, so that might be why I'm having such bad luck, but we did have a fire. Okay. Damn. punching the wood. We're going to coast right into the slicing test because you're seeing me tired right now. Nice. Right. Forgot it's in my pocket. Actually, let's go with this one because it's more fair. Definitely not an issue. Right now, I'm gonna try making a point on each. So I'm gonna cut off. I'm gonna try to make it flat. That's not gonna work. Okay, now it's flat. Again, tent pegs, yada yada yada, all that. Wow. Despite not being a great carver, this thing has bite. Maybe too much. Bites like a crocodile. I said that about the BK9 as well. This thing bites like a crocodile. Damn. Okay. Oh boy, okay. I gotta cut that piece off now. I should point out the prices. The 4MAX Scout on Amazon is gonna be like $90. This is gonna be $40. Links in the description below. Wow. Yeah, sorry, I'm a little tired out. I haven't done these videos in a while. I'm sorry. I don't know why you'd be missing this stuff, but if there's some demonic persuasion that made you miss it. It was a bit more difficult. But there we go. Oh boy. Forgot to do the drop test, but they both dropped nicely, but there's the conclusion. If you want the toughest folder you could ever ask for, which is essentially a folding survival knife, you're going to want this one. I know it's not the high-end one made in Italy, but for what I need, this 4MAX Scout is amazing. But if you only have $40 to spend and you want a really good knife, this is like the ultimate budget knife. The links are going to be in the description down below. Thanks for watching, and I hope to get more videos out soon.